Hello everyone, this is the first vlog I'm doing. This is about fish spa. I'm going to Star Mall. I actually stay in Barasat and this is nearby. So I am going for the fish spa in Benny's Fish Spa. I have seen a couple of videos regarding this, so let's just try this. The benefits of fish spa is that you can improve the blood circulation throughout the body, and the fish that is used for fish spa is Gararufa, which actually is a very good fish which helps in improving the complexion of the skin and again giving you a better skin. Okay, so fish spa again also helps in improving our skin and also helps improving feet problems which you have in feet, like warts, calluses, psoriasis, any problem you can just improve by fish spa. And thank you, let's just check it out.
এটা নাড়াচ্ছিস সব চলে যাচ্ছে।